Do you want to boost your credibility and showcase your skills on LinkedIn? Recommendations from colleagues and clients can do just that. And in this video, I'll explain how LinkedIn recommendations work, and I even have a tip sheet for you on how to request and write compelling recommendations that will help you to stand out as a trusted industry expert. LinkedIn recommendations are endorsements of your skills and abilities written by other LinkedIn experts who have worked with you in a professional capacity. Now, these recommendations are visible on your LinkedIn profile and can serve as valuable social proof to potential clients, investors, and partners. Now, here's how LinkedIn recommendations work. The easiest way to get a LinkedIn recommendation written for you is by going to your profile area all the way down to the recommendations section. You're going to hit that plus button and then hit ask for recommendations. What you'll do next is you're going to search for the person who you're requesting the recommendation from. You will click their name and then hit continue. The member will be prompted to write a personalized recommendation for you, highlighting your strengths and your skills. And you'll be prompted to say what type of relationship you had, whether it was a client of yours, you worked together on a project, you were a client of theirs, and you also have a pull down of the position that you worked in at the time. Now, like I mentioned before, we don't want to use LinkedIn's personalized message because all it says is, would you write me a recommendation? If you comment below, I will actually send you a framework that you can use to get better recommendations for you. Now, once the member submits the recommendation, it will appear on your LinkedIn profile in the recommendations section. You can choose to display all of your recommendations or select specific recommendations to showcase your profile. The best thing about this is that other LinkedIn members who view your profile can read your recommendation, providing social proof of your skills and experience. And you can also write recommendations for other LinkedIn members, which can help to build your professional network and showcase your own abilities as a team player and collaborator. Now, it's important to know that LinkedIn recommendations are not endorsements, which is a separate feature that allows LinkedIn members to endorse specific skills on your profile. Recommendations are more personalized and in-depth, providing detailed insight into your professional strengths and accomplishments. Now that you understand how LinkedIn recommendations work, it's time to showcase your professional accomplishments and grow your network. Let me know about your experiences with LinkedIn recommendations in the comments. And if you would like my tip sheet with a framework on how to request and write compelling recommendations, comment tip sheet and I will send it over to you.